Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zurich Insurance for corporate coverage step by step clearly. To start using Zurich Insurance for corporate coverage, visit their official website. Navigate to the section dedicated to business insurance. Select the type of coverage that best fits your corporate needs. Review the various options available under each type of insurance. Take note of key features and benefits offered in each policy. Once you've identified suitable options, gather necessary business information. Prepare details such as business size, industry, and specific risks involved. Consider your budget and desired coverage limits during this process. After gathering your information, request a quote directly through the website. Fill in the required forms with accurate information about your business. Double-check all entries to ensure accuracy before submitting. Upon receiving your quote, review it thoroughly. Pay close attention to the terms, conditions, and exclusions listed. If you have questions, reach out to Zurich's customer service for clarification. Once you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to the application process. Submit any additional documentation that may be requested. After your application is processed, you will receive a policy document. Review this document to confirm that it aligns with your understanding and needs. If everything looks good, complete any necessary payment to activate your policy. Make a note of important policy details, such as the coverage start date. Set reminders for policy review dates to ensure continued adequacy in coverage. Consider discussing your coverage with an insurance advisor for further insights. Keep all documentation organized for easy access in the future. Stay informed about Zurich's offerings to adjust your coverage as your business grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.